Hey, what's up? It's the Ching. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to update or upgrade your app directly. So, we know the Play Store, the default Play Store, Google Play Store. It is the Play Store in Android app. So, now in this time I want to update this sound recorder, the sound recorder plus, this one. So to update from Google Play, what is the name of the sound? Just keep it on hold. Sound recorder plus. Now I am finding the same app from Google Play Store. So come on. So find what is the name of this app? Sound recorder plus. Okay. Sound. Yes, the sound recorder plus. And this app is not a popular. This popular, and we can I can use the same icon, the red color microphone. So now I am searching. Okay, search sound recorder plus. So if I search from this list, I can find the same icon available in this list. So you can see the sound recorder plus, and here you can use the installed. Okay, but this icon and this icon is not the same, because this icon and this icon is not the same. So in this situation, what we will do? So it is very easy. So first go to the app. What you want to install? I want to install Sound Recorder Plus. So just select and hold. Go to the app info. Scroll it down. Storage. App data in store. App download from Google Play Store. This is the version 1.6.4. App details in store. So click on the here, and it directly open in Google Play app, and just to click on the update or this is the update. Okay, so the icon is something is changed, and this is okay. It is already download, and it is installing. But this icon the same, but after installing it won't be changed the same icon as you seen on this Google app. So open it. So open. What is new in Sound Recorder Plus? Okay, got it. Try what a new recording format or MP3. Now a new recording format MP3 and find out the answer to the most common app question. So got it. Okay, now I have to check this version. What is the new version of this app? Yes, the version is 1.6.6. It is already upgraded. So keep it to here. So now I want to update another app because there are 3 apps are ready to waiting for update or upgrade, just like a telegram. Yes, I want to update. Yes, okay, update. Just click on the update button and waiting and go back. Now I search the Telegram. I love the Telegram because Telegram has the cloud storage, whereas the WhatsApp hasn't the cloud storage. WhatsApp update, yes, and DuckDuckGo, the browser. I love the DuckDuckGo, and the second option is the Tor. DuckDuckGo, the ad blocker, and it maintains the something privacy simply private server with set protection. Okay, now 3 softwares or you can say the apps installing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new tips. Bye bye.